Hey guys, so I have a goal for this year for 2023, and it is that I will be able to afford a bambu x1-carbon printer. And I actually wanted to take you on this journey from start to finish, because I am only gonna buy it if I get enough print sales on my Cults 3D page. So I'm gonna show you what I have right now, and I'm going to make a weekly update, and then you can follow that update and see how many units or numbers have I sold for, and where are we at. So this is the printer I want to buy because it has 4 colors, or you can get up to 16 colors. And right now in euros it costs 1,369 VAT included. So that's the amount I need to get up to via only selling my prints. So I'm not going to show you the people who have actually bought my files, but I will show you what income we are at right now and how much way we still have to go. Right now I have 200 euros remaining to transfer and 112 waiting to be released from Cults 3D. So I made a quick spreadsheet, and I just plotted in the date today, the pending income we have for now, the remaining to transfer, if I have transferred any, and the total of that, and its total funds down here, the cost of the printer, and how much is missing so far to save up. And I will give an update again next week about this time and see where are we at, have we sold any. So right now it's 722 sales I've had so far, and we'll see next weekend if I sold any or not. But yeah, this will be a bit of a series, so take care, see you, bye bye.